Assalamualaikum. So guys, today we are going to discuss spinal cord tracts. Spinal cord tracts are present in white matter of spinal cord, and its basically main function is to transfer the information from receptors to the brain or from the brain to the effectors to perform the action. And there are two types of tracts: ascending tracts, descending tracts. Ascending tracts, from its name, we can assume that it is ascending the information, it's taking the information up towards the brain, and descending, it's carrying the information from the brain to the effector organ. Tracts are present in white matters. So first order neuron, it carries the information from sensory neuron, and its synapses in sensory information could be anything: pain, temperature, vibration, pressure. We'll discuss the individual tracts in further details, but for now we are only, for reference point, we are using this information from sensory neuron synapses in dorsal root ganglion, which further synapses in posterior horn cells of spinal cord, basically gray matter of spinal cord. And from the posterior horn cell, it becomes second order neuron, and it doesn't stay there. It goes 2 segments above in posterior root ganglion, and when it goes 2 segments above, it synapses to the opposite side, white matter. Okay, and from there it goes to the thalamus, and when it goes to the thalamus, it synapses again and becomes third order neuron, and its function is complete now. I mean, it has transported the information which it was created to do. Now, descending tract also has 3 orders. First order neuron, it originates from cerebral cortex, and it goes into the anterior horn cell of the spinal cord, white matter. Second order neuron from anterior horn cell, it synapses again in the anterior horn cell and becomes third order neuron. And third order neuron then relays information to effector. One thing important here is that the second order neuron is very small. It forms in the anterior horn cell and synapses again and becomes third order neuron, which then further transports the information to the effector organ. Thank you. That's all for today.